Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.